Greetings, my dear ones, my lovely friends. Today our New Year holidays are still going on. I don't know when this video will be released, but I'm filming it during the holiday days. You can see I still have my little Christmas tree here. And I thought, what would I like to film for you while it's still festive? I'm all dressed up for the holidays. And even though the garden work season is already over, there is still so much to talk about plants. So today I wanted to choose a truly festive plant. This is a begonia, but it is famous not for its flowers. Like the begonias that bloom decoratively, this one is beautiful all the time. It is famous for its very beautiful leaves. In summer it lives in my garden like a garden plant, and then I bring it indoors. And in winter it decorates our home for the holidays. What does such a beauty need? First, light. It needs plenty of light, but whether at home or in the garden, the light should be soft and diffuse. Then it will be happy and strong, and it will grow such bright, beautiful leaves. And second, watering. It likes water, but it does not like its roots sitting in water. So you can water it well when the soil starts to dry, and don't let the soil turn into a completely dry, hard lump. Keep it slightly moist. Water it thoroughly, and then pour out the water from the saucer. That's perfect. Don't overwater, and don't let it dry out. Like most plants, by the way, you also need to choose the right soil acidity. It has its own preferences. A good range for it is about pH 5.5 to 6.5. Within these limits, the soil will be right for it, light, airy, and nutritious. What else? It loves humidity. In general, it likes tropical conditions, especially when it's warm. It needs enough humidity. Leaf-decorative begonias that do not have velvety leaves can be misted, but very often, most of them, have leaves like this, velvety. Today I'm wearing a velvet dress, and my begonia is velvet too, so you should not spray water directly onto such leaves. So what do you do instead? You can place the pot on a porous material, for example, expanded clay pebbles, and then spray water onto the pebbles. The plant will feel that humidity and will be very grateful. In winter, we do not feed it with fertilizer, but about once every 2 weeks in summer, from mid-spring through summer and at the very beginning of autumn, we do feed it, and it will thank you. A very beautiful, wonderful plant. And now, for these festive days, by our tradition, let's ask it for a little holiday wisdom. Our beauty, the leaf decorative begonia, tell us some wisdom for people for these holidays. It thought for a moment and says, I strongly advise you to be very gentle with every expression of beauty. For example, I am beautiful, and someone might not think it through, might not read enough, and take my velvety leaves and spray them with water, thinking it will be great, but it will not be great. So when you meet something in life that is very beautiful and very delicate, treat it responsibly, because when beauty enters your life, it is always a great gift. Be grateful, be careful, and be very caring toward everything beautiful in your life. That is the wisdom she shared with us. And as always, we will think about it and become wiser. Thank you, our beauty, my dear ones. Until our next meeting. Bye bye. I love you very much.